Hello, hello, how are you? Welcome to this tour of Legal Monsters Compliance Solution. My name is Charlotte and I have the pleasure of showing you around today. So the first thing that happens when you log on is that you'll see this view of your dashboard. Here in the middle, you'll see all the steps you need to install your cookie solution and become cookie compliant. As you'll see, I've ticked off all of them, but if you're brand new here, this is usually where you'll start. Cookie compliance is the very first level of your compliance journey. So when you start working with us, this is usually your first step. Here to the left, you'll see your menu bar. At the very top, you have the dashboard. This is basically your home button. And by clicking that, you'll always be able to return to this view. Next, we have the audit trail, which is really the heart of your provability. This is where we store more than 20 data points per consent that is given on your website. Next, we have cookies that show an overview of the cookies you use on your website. Here you have all your legal agreements and all of your widgets. Then if you can have a look further down, we have a quick shortcut to our help center. You'll see your settings and your sign up button. So let's have a look at some of the most important elements for you. The first one being cookies. So here you'll find an overview of the cookies you use on your website divided into their categories. Each cookie provider belongs to a category and each cookie belongs to a provider. It's really important that the providers are in the right category because this is how you make sure that the cookie pop-up is collecting the right consent. On Cookie Free and Cookie Essential, we scan your website every 2 weeks. And on Cookie Business and our website compliant plans, you're able to set a more frequent scanning interval if you'd like. We have some predefined cookie providers, but if we scan your website and we find a cookie that we don't recognize, you'll receive an email from us and there will be a notification both up here and on the main view of your dashboard. With this notification comes, basically a message that you have a cookie or either a new cookie or a new cookie provider that needs to be categorized. But don't worry, this message will follow with a how-to video guiding you through the process for how to categorize your cookie and create a new cookie provider if that is the case for you. So next, let's have a look at your agreements. In agreements, you have all your legal documents. As you can see here, I have a cookie policy, terms of service, and my privacy policy. On our paid plans, you get a cookie policy that has been vetted by some of the top law firms in Europe. It complies with GDPR and the e-privacy directive, and we make sure to maintain and update it for you whenever there's any changes in the legal landscape. That's why it's called cookie policy on autopilot, and you'll see yes here with cookie policy. To create a new agreement, you simply press this green button, and then you can decide if you want to create a cookie policy on autopilot, or if you want to upload your privacy policy, your terms of service, or if you have your own cookie policy and you don't wish to use one that comes with our subscription, this is the button for you. Now let's have a look at widgets. So here you have an overview of the different widgets that you use. You can see right now I have both a terms of service widget, the very top. I have an email marketing consent widget right here. And then of course I have my cookie widget. The most exciting thing about the cookie widget is actually this green customize your widget button. So let's have a look at that. That takes me to this view. So this is where you can customize your cookie pop-up and really make it a beautiful extension of your website and of your branding and really tailor it to suit your needs. You can decide if you want to have it in the center or in the left, bottom left corner or bottom right corner. If you really want to prompt your users to give consent as soon as possible, you can darken the background, but you can also have it undarkened if that is how you choose. And scrolling down here to the left, you can see all of the different customization options. So for instance, if I wanted to style the button color, for instance, now I know that one of the brand colors for us at Legal Monster is this code. Let's see. Let me just find that again. Pop. There you go. And it is just so incredibly easy, if you know the codes of your brand colors, to just play around and have fun with until you reach a point where you're really, really happy with the look and the style of your cookie pop-up. And one of the features you can also choose if you're on one of our paid plans is whether you want to remove the little Powered by Legal Monster branding or if you want to keep it. So you style it however you like, and then you press save. So that is the widgets. Then next you have a shortcut here to your help center where you'll find installation guides, how-to videos, and some of our most frequently asked questions. And then of course there are your account settings as well. Here you'll see all the information connected to your accounts, and you also have projects. So if your website is in multiple languages and you want to have corresponding widgets and legal documents, this can be done by using our project feature and add a project. If your company or if you are an agency, are managing several domains, this is also something you can manage using this projects feature and create a separate dashboard for each domain and each website. So that was your tour. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can email us at hello@legalmonster.com. That was it for me. Have a beautiful day and take care. Bye.